Hi there, this is Fixed It. This is a really nice bronze Robosapien V2 which has suffered catastrophic battery leakage and short circuit. Even though on smaller models I'd consider trying to clean this up because it's so close to the foot and the electronics, and I'm actually going to do a foot transplant. As you can see, this foot here has got the original wiring and everything associated with it, and it's the original wiring which will all be taken off. So this is the stuff that's in Robosapiens, and when you see one that's for sale that hasn't been repaired, this is what you're dealing with. You should really only buy a fully rewired and repaired Robosapien, because if you just buy any old one, these wires just shed all their insulation and then short out, destroying the robot. Inside of here, all of the contacts and everything are really nice and clean and undamaged, although the rest of the robot, as you can see, is in a bad state. And the other donor, which is going to give me the other foot, he's not looking very well at all. There's very little of him left really, and so he'll be donating his feet. I'll be publishing a part 2 of when I've fixed it, and hope you like the video. Please subscribe and share with others. Thanks for watching. Bye.